Today I'm making a whipped body butter. You start by adding 1 cup of coconut oil and 1 cup of coconut butter to your double boiler. You're going to set the heat on medium and continuously stir until all of the ingredients are completely melted. The coconut oil will melt much faster. You just keep breaking apart the coconut butter until it's completely melted as well. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Once it is completely liquid, you're going to remove it from the heat, and you need to transfer the liquid to a bowl that you can use for mixing. You want to make sure the bowl is big enough to use a handheld mixer with. You can either set the bowl on your counter to cool, or if you want it to go faster, you can stick it in the refrigerator and let it cool for about 45 minutes. But you want the texture to be solid, but not completely firm. So ideally, you could stick your finger through it easily. So next, once the liquid has cooled, you're going to add your essential oils. I'm adding 20 drops of lavender, 10 drops of eucalyptus, and 5 drops of tea tree oil. After you've added your essential oils, using a handheld mixer on high speed, you're going to whip the mixture until it is a nice creamy consistency. It'll take about 5 minutes to get the liquid to get your mixture to completely whip up. Once your mixture is done, all we have left to do is add it to your container. As you're putting it in your container, you want to make sure that you're pressing out any air bubbles so that your container gets completely filled. And make sure you're using a container that has a lid. And then you're finished. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you can see more videos on how to make homemade products.